If you're looking to add dynamic content to your Mailchimp emails, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down how to use dynamic content to create personalized, targeted emails that engage your subscribers more effectively. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Mailchimp's dynamic content tools, so stick around. There's a bonus offer for free access to the software at the end. Let's dive right into how to add dynamic content to Mailchimp emails. The first thing you'll need is a Mailchimp account. If you don't have one already, you can sign up and get started with a free plan that includes the basic features you need. If you already have an account, just log in and let's get started with creating a campaign. The next thing you'll want to do is set up your email campaign. This is where the magic happens. After you've chosen your template and started creating your email, look for the option to add dynamic content. You can find it within the content blocks in your campaign builder. Now, let's talk about the first type of dynamic content you can add, merge tags. Merge tags are a simple yet powerful way to customize your emails. With merge tags, you can pull in personalized information like the recipient's name, location, or any other data you've gathered about your subscribers. Just select a text block, click on the merge tag icon, and choose which dynamic content to add. For example, using a first name in the greeting can make your email feel more personal. Next, let's talk about conditional content. Conditional content allows you to show or hide certain sections of your email based on specific conditions, like the subscriber's location or whether they've made a purchase. This is a game changer for segmentation because it allows you to send the right message to the right person. To set up conditional content, you'll use the conditional block feature in Mailchimp. You can create multiple versions of your email, each tailored to a different segment of your audience, without having to manually design separate emails. The third thing is dynamic content blocks. These blocks are different from conditional content because they let you create multiple variations of a single block within the same email. When the email is sent, Mailchimp will automatically decide which variation to show based on your subscribers' behavior or data. This is perfect for testing different headlines, offers, or images to see which resonates best with your audience. Next up is dynamic product recommendations. If you're running an e-commerce store and want to showcase personalized product recommendations, Mailchimp allows you to pull in product information directly from your online store. These recommendations are automatically tailored to each subscriber based on their past interactions with your website or purchase history. The last thing I want to mention is dynamic content for A/B testing. Mailchimp makes it easy to run tests on different versions of your emails to see which one performs best. By using dynamic content, you can test various elements like images, offers, or even subject lines without creating entirely separate campaigns. This can help improve your open and click-through rates over time. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can use Mailchimp for completely free from the first link below. Plus, if you sign up today, you'll get access to exclusive bonuses that will make your email marketing even more powerful. And just so you know, you'll also get an exclusive extended free trial when you sign up through this link. Now you've got all the tools to add dynamic content to your Mailchimp emails and make your campaigns more personalized and effective. Whether you're using merge tags, conditional content, dynamic product recommendations, or A/B testing, you can create emails that speak directly to your subscribers. Thanks for watching.